This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Honda Pilot. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 6-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, and a clean, non-smoker interior. Its top features and packages include the premium sound package, a locking rear differential, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a DVD player, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 13,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. Not to mention that this Honda qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Fisher Auto is located at 6025 Arapahoe Drive in Boulder. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.